going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Sauna's Lifestyle. Today's another day out here in Deutschland. And when I say Deutschland, man, you guys already know Deutschland, man. Look, it's raining, cloudy. But what up, guys? It's been a long time, boy. You see the boy done got fat, been eating good. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been on this YouTube, man. And I think I need to pick the camera back up. Seems like the Beamer world in the US is starting to pick up. And you know, me and the wife had these Beamers for a hot minute now. It's been about a year that we've had these cars, man. But I think I need to get on this YouTube, man, with you guys. It's been a while, and I know some people have been asking me, man, when you gonna get back on the camera? When you gonna get back on the camera? Man, like I said, just life has been lifing, man. But on a good note, man, I might be able to get back on here, man, a lot more. If you guys didn't know, you know your boy's in the military, and I'm about to retire. I mean, I got let's just say about a month and a half left in uniform, who's counting, and about 6 months left until I'm fully out. You know what I mean? About to do this internship with a company out here and see what happens. And if it happens, it happens. If it don't, your boy's heading back to San Antonio. It's been a while since we lived in the US, but you know, I gotta give you a pull real quick. Yeah, so guys, that was a little pool in the tunnel with the 360 cam. Like I said, man, it's been a while since I've been on here, so I'm trying to dust all this stuff off on how to do this. It's been about a year and some change since I posted anything, you know, when it comes to a full video. I think I got really motivated when I went to the Nürburgring last weekend. Out there with a couple of homies, went out there to a big car event they had. It's kind of like the end of year or end of season car event, and went on the Nürburgring on these 22s I got on this car, and that was definitely not it. I should have had the stocks back on it, but yeah, man, like I said, it's been a while since I've been on this tube, man, and I think that motivation of going down there, well, not the motivation, but me going down there gave me the motivation to pick this camera back up and shoot these videos for you guys. As you guys can already see, probably all on YouTube, man, BMWs is starting to be the next hot topic, man. And they like the next Scat Packs, next Hellcats, whatever you want to call it. You know your boy had the Hellcat already. And you know, me and the wife had this M5 and this M3 for about a year and some change now. So I guess I must jump. I might as well go ahead and jump on the boat with everybody else, get this content for you guys. But again, man, like I said, being out here in Germany, it's a little tough for me personally when it comes down to trying to create content, because there ain't a lot going on out here, especially in the area where I'm at. You got to drive 2-3 hours, man, to get somewhere to be around car enthusiasts, car content, all that kind of stuff, you know, if that makes sense. I mean, I know that around here they try to do a little bit of things just to kind of get the guys together when it comes to the car scene, but it ain't the same, man. I tell you that, man. And it ain't the same like the UK. I think it was just closer reach to be around stuff like that in the UK than it is here in Germany. Again, for me, not knocking Germany, because Germany's a beautiful country, but for me, man, my motivation has dwindled down since I've been here. And I think I need to get back on it for you guys, because you already know, man, you know I love doing this stuff. But I'm gonna turn you guys back on when I get to this spot. I kind of want to give you guys like another review of my M5 and all the stuff that I've done to it. And I've done quite a bit of mods to it. Some people might like it, some people might not. It's all good. It's my M5. But at the end of the day, you know what I mean, I like to share stuff that I got done. But yeah, stay tuned in, stay locked in. You guys already know, if you haven't smashed that button, go ahead and give me a like, comment, share, turn on all post notification. You already know what it is. All right, guys, so I made it to the spot where I want to show you guys the car at. You guys already know I've had this car for I would say about a year. Had its up and downs with it. I still enjoy it though, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely still worth getting rid of the Hellcat 4. But yeah, man, within this past year, I've done a few mods to it, man. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I've done. So this is the M5. Let me show you guys a 360 walk around on this thing. 2021 F90 M5 LCI update. LCI being the lights on it, front and rear. For those that don't know, that thing looks so good. So let me start off and tell you guys what I've done so far to it. So obviously you guys see the wheels on the car. Some might like it, some might not. 22s on it. I got 22 by 11 in the rear, 22 by 10 and a half in the front. On 295, 25, 22 tires in the front, 305, 25, 22s in the rear. And everybody always asks me, man, does it rub? Does it rub? Nope, it don't rub, man. It's literally a nice fit. If you look at it, fits perfect. It took me a while to figure out the tires on this car. Started off with a 315. It was too wide in the back. Then I did 295s all the way around. The back tire was too skinny. Yeah, and then this setup is perfect. I can't remember the offset on it, but if some people want to know, just hit me up in the comments, man, and I'll put that information in there for you. So moving on to the next thing, man. So I got the Has kit on it, which is the KW Has kit, lowering kit. So coilovers. The only thing I don't like about this kit, and I'm assuming it's the stock suspension, you can probably only go so far down on the front, but as you guys can see, the back tucks a little bit more than the front. I mean, it looks good, but they always say, I guess they say on these M's, they squat a little bit more in the back than the front, but I would like to get the front to tuck a little bit more. If anybody knows what's the way to do that, minus spending like $5 grand for what they call them, the V3s, V4s, whatever you want to call it, KWs, let me know. And I might end up having to go that route. But moving on to the other stuff, man. So I got that front lip on there, as you guys can see. I got it color matched. Got the side skirts color matched, and then I got that winglets, I guess you want to call it, but it kind of goes underneath with the diffuser color matched. And then what I did was I had them leave the carbon fiber right there, man, to kind of give it a little bit of offset that matched the roof and the spoiler. Obviously I added the wing on there, small wing, carbon fiber. Got the window spoiler on there as well. My car didn't come with these, but my wife ended up buying these for me. My bad, man, on the camera. But I got those carbon fiber on there. I ordered these carbon fiber, man, but I don't know, man, they don't look good to me. I honestly wanted to get just the inside insert of this piece, carbon fiber, just to kind of offset it a little bit here and there. What else I did to this since I've had it? Got the cold air intakes, arcade tunes. You guys can see it in the front. Looks good. The tubing's starting to fade a little bit, so that's one thing I need to replace next summer. The tubing, I might just buy a whole nother kit, and honestly, I might just do black. That way, you won't see it fading, and just get some different color intakes. But man, it sounds good. It definitely opens it up. A lot of people always ask me, do you worry about it when it's raining? No, when it's raining, I haven't had any issues since I've had it. I got it on the wife's M3 as well. No issues at all. What else? Okay, so exhaust wise, people always ask me what I've done to the exhaust. So I got Catless downpipes, Supersprint Catless downpipes, and that's pretty much it, man, with the Dähler Valve Control. Shout out to Dähler hooking us up with those. Got that on there, and man, what I like about it is you can close the valve, open the valve, you can make it loud, make it quiet. Let me see if I can give you guys just a little bit of it. Give me 1 second. Let me put this camera down. See, that's closed, and now I'm gonna open it back up again. All right, I'll give you guys just a little bit. I don't want to give too much. It's quiet over here. that's it, man. I can't give you guys too much. But the other piece I like about this, right, I can hit the exhaust thing. I'm not showing you guys the button inside the car because the camera's outside, but there's an exhaust muffler looking thing on the console. But if I turn it off, it pops stop, which is another cool thing I like, man. So I can have the pops if I want them. I don't have to have the pops on if I don't want them. If I want to close everything up, you know, just pretty much hit the buttons, close them up, and that's pretty much it when it comes to it. All right, let me see what else I got done. So these are changed, the BMW signs to match a little bit. I used to have the little fin up there, carbon fiber, but I guess I bought the cheap one, man, because the carbon fiber started turning yellow. Now, when it comes to power, you know, everybody's like, oh, don't tell them what you got, don't da-da-da-da-da. Man, at the end of the day, I don't care. Took the car to the dyno for the first time. Which was pretty cool. I started off with, well, before I went to the dyno, when I first got it, I had the race chip tune on it. And with the race chip tune, it was probably about 700 and not even 700, I don't know. They say it's another 120 horsepower with the race chip tune, man. And I ain't gonna lie, it definitely, you can tell the difference. But when I got these ECUs unlocked, boy, I tell you that's a whole nother beast with this car. So yeah, I sent it, took the ECUs out, me and my son sent them out to Femto, and got those, man. That was a pretty quick turnaround. Shipped them out on Monday, got them back on a Friday, and then as soon as I got them back in, popped them in. I purchased the MHD tune. I know they got boot mod, but a lot of my friends been doing MHD, so I went with that. Pretty much plug and play with the dongle, putting it in.
Hold up.
What did you say?
And then flashing it. So I flashed it to a stage 2. I got on a 98 RON, which is I think 95 octane compared to the States. And then what I did was I did a XHP transmission tune on that as well. I did a stage 3 just to make sure everything is good to go on it. And yeah, man, when I say power wise, I'm gonna show you this real quick. Yeah, you guys see it, man. 700, I think 68 horsepower. I mean, that's to the crank. And when I say that's a beast, man. And that one actually, I had retuned it to the 102 RON, which is 99, I think, octane. Man, I don't know the difference on those two when it comes down to it. But over here they got 102 that I put in there, and man, that made a big difference from the 98 RON tune that was on there before. And what I say, man, this thing's a beast. It's a beast, man. You know what I mean? I was a little excited. I seen the little flame shoot out at the dyno. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it in a nutshell when it comes down to the car. Future plans, I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably wrap it. Maybe a different color. I don't know yet, man. As I mentioned to you guys, I'm about to retire. So I should have more time to do things when it comes to this car stuff and getting content for you guys. You know, right now my life's been wrapped around work, boys, sports, and just life in it, man, when it comes down to it. But again, man, I appreciate you guys checking me out. You know, I just want to give you guys updates. You know what I mean? Saunders Lifestyle, we still out here doing it. We just under the radar, been under the radar for a hot minute. The boy need to get back in the gym too. You know what I mean? Check me out, a little chubby. But yeah, man, if you haven't, man, go ahead and smash that button. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share. You guys already know what it is. Let's go ahead and turn up and get these videos bopping.
If they do something,